Looking for the best robot vacuums in 2026? In this video, we review the latest smart cleaning robots that make home cleaning effortless. From powerful suction to AI navigation and mopping features, we cover top models for every budget. Whether you need a premium or affordable option, this guide will help you choose the perfect robotic vacuum to keep your home spotless with minimal effort. Number 3. The Eufy Robot Vacuum 11S Max is a simple, reliable robotic cleaner designed for users who want effective daily cleaning without complicated features. Its standout design is the ultra-slim 2.85-inch profile, allowing it to glide effortlessly under beds, sofas, and low furniture where dust often hides. Despite its compact size, the 11S Max delivers strong, consistent suction, enhanced by Boost IQ technology, which automatically increases power when transitioning from hard floors to carpets. It performs particularly well on hard floors and medium pile carpets, picking up dust, debris, and even pet hair with ease. With up to 100 minutes of runtime, it's well suited for apartments and small to medium-sized homes. One of its biggest advantages is its quiet operation, running at a noise level similar to a microwave, making it ideal for use at any time of day. It also features infrared obstacle detection and drop sensing technology, helping it avoid furniture and stairs while cleaning efficiently. When the battery runs low, it automatically returns to its charging dock. Unlike more advanced models, this vacuum does not support Wi-Fi or app control, relying instead on a simple remote and onboard buttons perfect for users who prefer straightforward operation. Reviews praise its strong suction, slim design, and great value, though it's best used alongside occasional deep cleaning. Overall, it's a dependable, budget-friendly robot vacuum for Number 2. The Ticom L8000 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop is a feature-rich, budget-friendly cleaning solution designed for hands-free convenience and powerful performance. Equipped with 6,000 Pascal suction power, it effectively removes dust, pet hair, and debris from both hard floors and carpets, even automatically boosting suction when needed. A standout feature is the self-emptying base with a 3L dust bag, offering up to 90 days of hands-free cleaning. This makes it ideal for busy households or pet owners who want minimal maintenance. The 2-in-1 vacuum and mop functionality adds versatility, with adjustable suction levels and water flow settings to suit different surfaces. Navigation is powered by 360 degrees LiDAR mapping, allowing the robot to create accurate layouts and clean efficiently without missing spots or bumping randomly. It also supports multi-floor mapping, making it suitable for larger homes. The intelligent system avoids obstacles like walls and stairs, ensuring smooth operation. Through the app, users can set schedules, define no-go zones, and customize cleaning preferences. It also supports voice control with Alexa, adding extra convenience. With up to 150 minutes of runtime and auto-recharge or resume capability, it ensures uninterrupted cleaning sessions. User reviews highlight its strong suction, quiet operation, and smart navigation, especially considering its price. Number 1. The Robotic Crevo Series Robot Vacuum and Mop QV35A is a powerful, all-in-one cleaning solution designed to make home maintenance effortless. With an impressive 8,000 pascals hyperforce suction, it easily lifts dirt, pet hair, and debris from carpets, tiles, and hardwood floors, delivering deep, consistent cleaning performance. What truly sets this model apart is its advanced all-in-one docking station. It automatically empties dust into a large sealed bag, refills the water tank, washes the mop pads, and even dries them, keeping the system ready with minimal user effort. The dual spinning mops, 200 revolutions per minute, effectively scrub away stains, while the 10mm mop lift ensures carpets stay dry during transitions. Navigation is handled by precise sense LiDAR mapping, creating accurate 360 degrees maps and supporting multi-floor layouts. Combined with reactive tech obstacle avoidance, the robot intelligently avoids furniture, cords, and tight spaces, reducing interruptions. The anti-tangle brush system is especially useful for pet owners, preventing hair buildup and maintaining performance. Through the Robotic app, users can customize schedules, set no-go zones, and control cleaning modes with ease. Reviews highlight its quiet operation, excellent mapping accuracy, and strong cleaning results, even in homes with multiple pets. Overall, the Crevo QV35A offers premium automation, powerful performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this robot vacuum review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more latest tech reviews in 2026. Drop a comment below and let us know which robot vacuum you like the most. Stay tuned for more smart home and gadget reviews. See you in the next video.